Hey guys, girl, welcome back. I need to remember to look at the camera. Again, welcome back to the Hoi Mustafa story with me, Amy Hoi Mustafa, and Eva Bo. Yay! Yes, in this video, we're going to start again with practice Faroese with Eva Bo. Yay! And this time we're going to learn about greetings people in Faroese. See, hello. So to greet people in Faroese, we can say, eyes camera. So I'm not used to looking at the camera if there's no teleprompter. So anyway, to greet people, we can say, "Goan morgen," "Goan morgen," or "Good morning," "Hello, Botte." Or we can also say, "Goan day," or "Goan dagen," "Good day," or "Good afternoon." We can practically say this all day. At night, we can say "God kveld," "God kveld," or "Good evening." And like what I just did to her brother, hey, Bokna, hey Botte. You can say, "Hey Botte," or "Hello Botte." Botte means brother. So hey, or hi, or hello means hello. No. Oh. Hello Botte. To say goodbye, we can say bye bye Botte. Bye bye. Oh, bye Botte. Bye bye Botte. Bye bye baby, bye bye. Eva loves to see her brother. I like to keep her warm. So she's wearing a bit warm clothes, and it was cold, so it's snowing outside. That's why we're wearing a sweater. Nice and warm. Next, we can also say "Visuchas." This is the sentence or the goodbye that I always say at the end of the video. "Visuchas," or "See you later," or "See you soon." But it's literally mean we see. We see. Visuchas. If you want to be more dramatic, you can say farewell, goodbye, goodbye. But if you're only going for a trip like this, like taking a flight somewhere, maybe after the corona, you can say go affair. Other greetings that we can also say is for congratulations, for example, we can say "Till lukku," or congratulations, "Till lukku," which literally mean for life. Yeah, "Till lukku." You can also say "Alta besta," or "Good luck." And literally this one means all the best. Alta besta, all the best. For someone who's going on a vacation or going to have fun, you can say "Huknater," or have fun, enjoy yourself. And this one is for singular. But if there are many people that you wish to have fun, you can say "Huknitikko," Hukni tikum. Have fun. Enjoy yourselves. And then you can reply by saying tak. Oi ka mata. Yeah, tak. Oi ka mata. Or thanks. You too. Yeah, thanks. You too. And when it's nighttime, you can say sov vel. Did you sov vel, everyone? Did you sleep well? Sov vel, sleep well for one person. There are many people. You can say sovi vel. Sovi vel. If you just meet someone for the first time, you can say stut lit at hitate. Oops, there's a typo here. There's not supposed to be an H over there, but sorry. It's supposed to be stut lit, no H, at hitate. I'm pleased to meet you. Yay! So, tak. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in our next video. So, tak och vi ses. Bye bye.